So today's video is going to be about Alkaline and his new show coming up on the 25th of March. So one of my subscribers a few days ago asked me in the comment section if I think it was a good idea for Alkaline to actually do this show that he has coming up in Jamaica. Me I drink like a lemon water. And my response to that question was no. And I'm gonna elaborate and say why I think it's a no for me. Personally, I feel like they're trying to sink Alkaline. And he recorded a new song called Fast, about everything will make sense later and all this other stuff in the song. The song is a nice song. I get where he's coming from, all that. But the police are literally after Alkaline. There is no way in hell that you hold a man, detain a man for all of Saturday, Sunday, Monday, all of 4 to 5 days in jail without a court order from a judge with every supporting evidence, because that's the only way a judge will give a court order is with evidence or supporting evidence in a case. There's no way. You guys, the police initially said that they wanted him to question because they felt like he could help with a murder case. So if that's the case, the man turned himself in, that why would you detain him for no reason? If y'all wanted his help, do you think detaining him for 4 or 5 days is gonna be beneficial to you guys in the process? Because no one will detain the man. No, he's really not gonna want to help you, even if he did have help to give. No, he really not gonna want to have nothing to do with it. My basis for saying no was because of that. And I know his fans want to see him perform, and I know his fans long to see him perform, because it makes 3 years since he have performed in Jamaica. No, on a stage. And personally, I feel like no, Alkaline has grown as far as his stage presence, his artistry, like how he perform on stage. They used to talk about Alkaline recording artist and not a performing artist, but now that I've watched him on stage and growing constantly, I feel like he has grown tremendously as a entertainer, as a performer. And people can talk all they want about him, but I respect him, and I respect what he did. He didn't just take any show, take any deal, or just go on anybody's show, go perform. Sure that the show that he's gonna perform on, everything is on his terms, and he had to okay almost all the other artists on the show. And all the other artists on the show are people that Alkaline have collaborated with. And me and somebody was having a conversation about this last night, and he was saying, watch and see if this show don't become an annual thing or every year thing like Shaggy and Friends. I feel like it's going to be the case. I feel like Alkaline are going to do like one show a year at Jamaica every year, just to solidify that foundation and actually have his audience be a part of what he's doing and actually get to see him live and all these things. Now back to the initial question where I was asked if he should do the show. Honestly, I'm not thinking. I'm conflicted. Basically, I feel like he shouldn't do the show because I feel like the police is not only after him, but them want to sink him. And when I mean sink him, I feel like they want either send him a jail, get him visa take away, or just mix up him image and his artistry in some foolishness, and then people are not gonna want to be associated with him or collaborate with him, and that's just gonna mess up his brand and his business. And like, those are the reason why I feel like he shouldn't do the show. But then again, on the other hand, we've been asking him, and me especially, not asking, I've been saying that he needs to go back to Jamaica and perform for his fan base, because all of the people in Jamaica will actually support him, and the one them will really rep Vendetta to the fullest. And no matter what nobody else say, me or anybody else said, them always they rep them Vendetta clan all the way through and through. And if you not perform for the people, they're gonna feel like you don't care about them anymore, and then they will stop supporting music. Because in the midst of all of this, Beanie Man say how Alkaline say him not perform at Jamaica, and one bag of foolishness. But those are the reasons why I'm conflicted. On one hand, I feel like say, yeah, him need to actually perform for his fans at Jamaica, because the man core audience, and he has a perform in Jamaica for 3 whole years. And then on the other hand, I feel like he needs to be very careful, very secure, because me feel like not only the justice system but also the police in Jamaica are out to get him, basically. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Do you think he should perform at the show? Do you think he shouldn't perform at the show? Do you think he should have like a maximum security show where there's a lot of security there, there's a lot of people there, and he should also video the show, so if not good on, they can say he was a part of anything? Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think, because I'm a bit conflicted and I want to hear what my people has to say about this topic especially. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm a party here, man. Deuce.